Okay, good day. Welcome to JSARV Math video lessons. Okay, for today's topic, I am going to discuss to you about solving problems involving permutation and combination. Okay, so example number 1. You are asked by your teacher to arrange the letters in the word mathematics, regardless of each word's meaning. So in how many ways can you arrange the letters in the word mathematics? So para mas ma-solve natin ito ng madali at saka mas mabilis, okay, magfa-follow tayo ng mga steps. Una is yung analysis. So you analyze kung ano ba yung problem na involved dito. Involved ba dito ang permutation or combination of objects? Okay, so dito sa number 1, the problem involved is permutation. Okay, so dito ay permutation. So I think alam nyo na kung anong klase ng permutation ito. It is distinguishable permutation. Okay, so ano ba yung required dito? Or ano yung what is asked in the given problem? Okay, so the number of ways that can you arrange the letters in the word mathematics. Okay, in the word mathematics. So ito yung required or what is asked in the given problem. Okay, next, given. So identify the given. So the given value is the number of letters in the word mathematics. So ito yung ating n. So ilan ba yung letters ng word na mathematics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11. And then, since it is distinguishable permutation, may mga nagre-repeat dito na mga letters. So identify natin kung ilan yung mga letters na nagre-repeat or paulit-ulit. Okay, first, itong letter M natin. Okay, so we have 2 M's. And next is yung A. So we have 2 A's. Kung mapapansin ninyo, dalawa yung A at dalawa din yung ating T. Okay, so 2 T's. Okay, so ito yung ating mga given. Next, identify the formula. So ano ba yung formula na ating gagamitin dito to solve for the unknown? Okay, so yung formula na gagamitin natin is yung formula ng distinguishable permutation, which is P equals n factorial over a factorial times b factorial times c factorial, so forth and so on. So ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. Okay, next is solution. So alam na natin kung ano yung formula na ating gagamitin, that is distinguishable permutation na formula, which is p equals n factorial over a factorial times b factorial times c factorial, so forth and so on. So, i-substitute na lang natin dito yung ating mga given value. So, ano ba yung value ni n? 11. So, 11 factorial over yung value ng ating m, which is 2. So, 2 factorial tayo dito. Then, yung ating a, dalawa din. So, 2 factorial. And yung ating t. So, 2 factorial also. Then, pwede naman natin siyang i-expand, i-rewrite natin with a factor 2 factorial. Pero wag na. Okay? Diretso na tayo. Pwede kang gumamit ng calculator. So, gumamit na tayo ng calculator para malaman kung ano yung value ni 11 factorial. And that is 39 million using calculator. The value of 11 factorial is 39,916,800. Okay, so ito yung value ng ating 11 factorial. Okay? Next is, yung ating 2 factorial naman is 2. So, dalawang 2 ito, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, that is equal to 8. So, i-divide lang natin yan sa 8. So, 39,916,800 divided by 8. And the answer is 4 million. So the answer is 4,989,000 4,989,600. Okay, so we have 4,989,600 ways to arrange the letters in the word mathematics. Diba? Ang dami. So, million. Okay, so, okay, ilipat ko yung aking answer. Natabunan siya. Okay, ilipat ko lang ang aking answer. Okay, ilagay ko dito yung aking answer para makita. Okay, so dito. So, P is equal to 4,989,600. Okay, so ito yung number of ways that we can arrange the letters in the word mathematics. Okay, so the number of ways that you can arrange the letters in the word mathematics is 4,989,600. Okay, so ganyan kadami. Next, number 2. You are given 5 sets of word problems to solve. Your teacher instructed you to choose only 3 problems from the given set. So how many combinations of word problems are possible? Okay, so una yung analysis muna. So ano ba yung involved dito? Permutation or combination? I think may idea ka na kung ano yung involved dito. So yung involved dito, yung gagamitin natin is combination. Dito pa lamang may word na tayo na combinations. Ayan. So combination. And then, ano ba yung required dito? So, yung required dito or kung ano yung ina-ask ng ating problem is the number of possible combinations of word problems. The number of possible combinations of word problems. Ito yung tinatanong. So, ano yung given natin dito? Okay, diretso na tayo sa given. So, what is given? Okay, so, from yung n natin dito is 5. So, we have 5 word problems to solve. Pipili ka lang ng 3. Okay, from the given set. Doon sa 5 word problems, pipili ka lang ng 3. So, kahit alin doon ang pipiliin mo. Kahit yung number 1, basta 3 word problems ang pipiliin mo from 5. Okay, so yung n natin dito is 5 at yung ating r ay 3. Okay, ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung involved dito, combination. So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng combination. So, ano ba yung formula ng ating combination? Ang formula ng combination is combinations of n objects taken r at a time equals n factorial, ito yung formula niya, n factorial over quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Okay, so dito, i-substitute na natin yung ating given value dito sa ating formula. Okay, so C, ito ay combinations, solution na tayo . Okay, solution. So sa ating solution, combinations of 5 problems, okay, 5 objects taken 3 at a time. Yung ating R. Yung value ni N ay 5 at ang value ni R ay 3. Okay, dito pwede na tayong mag-shortcut kahit hindi na natin i-follow itong ating formula. Okay, so yung gagawin natin dito is una, you are going to multiply or taking 3 consecutive factors in descending order starting with 5. Okay? Or multiplying 3 consecutive numbers starting with 5. So, 5 times 4 times 3. Okay? In descending order yan. Divided by yung ating R, which is 3. So, 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2. Diba? Okay? So, pwede na natin i-cancel ito. I-cancel na rin natin tong 3. Yung 1, kahit hindi mo na isali yung 1 dito sa 3 factorial kasi ganun din naman yun, yung resulta. And then, itong 4 at saka 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, cancel na yung 2 sa baba, itong 4 ay magiging 2. Then, i-multiply mo na, simplify. So, di ba, napakadali lang. So, the C, combinations of 5 taken 3 at a time is equal to 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so ito yung ating the number of possible combinations of word problems from the given 5 word problems. Kukuha ka lang ng 3 doon. Okay, so we have 10 possible combinations. So that is the answer in problem number 2. Okay, so there are 10 possible combinations of word problems. Okay, so I hope na-gets ninyo yung ating problem number 2. Madali na lang naman basta alam mo na yung steps. Okay? Number 3. Mrs. Pascual is instructed to appoint 5 of her best students to fill in the positions of class president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. If she has 30 active students, in how many ways can she appoint her class officers? Okay, so una dito, ano ba yung gagamitin natin? Permutation or combination sa ating analysis? Okay, dito class, ang ating gagamitin, since ito ay pipili ka ng class officers, ibig sabihin mayroong order. May order, the order, yung order dito ay important. So therefore, ang ating gagamitin dito is permutation. Okay, permutation. And ano ba yung tinatanong dito sa ating problem? Ano yung required or what is asked in the given problem? So the number of ways that can she appoint her class officers. Ito yung tinatanong dito. So yung given natin, yung N, ilan ba lahat? Yung kanyang estudyante, 30. Ngayon, from 30, ilan lang ba ang kanyang pipiliin? So, yung R natin dito is kung ilan yung position dito na kanilang i-fill in. So, we have class president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. So, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and auditor. So, mayroong 5 positions na kanilang i-fill in. Okay, so ito yung ating given. Now, ano yung formula na ating gagamitin? Yung formula ng permutation, which is permutations of n objects taken r at a time equals n factorial over quantity of n minus r factorial. Okay, so ito yung ating formula ng permutation of n objects taken r at a time. Okay, so solution. So i-substitute natin yung ating mga given value dito sa ating formula. Okay, so that is permutations of 30. Okay, 30 students taken 5 at a time. Okay, taken 5 at a time. So dito, pwede nating hindi na natin gamitin yung ating hindi na natin i-step by step yung ating formula. So this one can be considered also as taking 5 consecutive factors starting with 30 in descending order. Okay? Now, pwede ring at multiplying 5 consecutive numbers starting with 30 in descending order. So 30 times 29, okay, 30 times 29 times 28 times 27 times 26. Ayan. So 5 consecutive factors or 5 consecutive numbers starting with 30 in descending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Then i-multiply natin yan using our calculator. Okay, so using our calculator, so 30 times 29 times 28 times 27 times 26. And that is equal to 17 million, sobrang dami pala nito, 17 million 100,720 ways. Okay, sobrang dami. Okay? So, Mrs. Pascual can have 17,100,720 ways to appoint 5 best students to fill in. Okay, so to fill in the position. Okay, kulang to. To fill in the position. Okay, ayan. 17,100,720 ways. Okay, so I hope na-gets ninyo yung ating mga examples dito. So we have problem number 1, problem number 2, and problem number 3. Okay, so I hope na-gets ninyo class, and see you to our next video lesson.